Best back scratcher ever. Oh yeah, I love this rug.
Luka, stop rolling. You are creating too much friction. Look at you. You look like a fuzzy dandelion.
Tingly, tingly. I feel strange power inside me. Ouch! The door bit me. Bad door.
That was a static shock. You are supercharged up.
Charged? Charged? Like a remote control battery? I have superpowers. I am Thunderdog. Get off me, sticky grape! Let go!
It's not magic, Luka. Electrons. Opposites attract.
Who is Ron? And why does he like balloons?
When you rub the rug, you stole its electrons. Now you are negative.
I am not negative. I am a very positive boy. Ask anyone.
Not that kind of negative. Let's do an experiment.
The black sand is dancing. Are you a wizard, Bina?
Static electricity pulls light things up, just like magic.
If I have enough power, maybe I can pull the sausages out.
Luka? What are you planning now?
I am charging to 100%. I am ultimate power.
Woof! Wait! Plastic makes even more static! Don't do it!
I feel electric. I am buzzing.
Stay back, Luka! You are a walking lightning bolt!
Give me the treat, sweet robot. I command you.
No! You will fry the circuit board! Too late.
It worked! The thunder gods love me!
Oh my gosh! You short-circuited the feeder!
Why is my food running away? Come back!
You are too charged. You are repelling everything.
This is a curse. I have food, but I cannot touch it.
Fix me, science girl. Turn off the thunder.
We need to discharge you. Grounding.
I feel normal. The tingling is gone. Delicious without the lightning flavor.
Your superpower made this mess. You clean it up. I am the Thunder Queen now. Zap, zap.
Run away! The balloon monster is back!
Oh no. Not again. You are a magnet for trouble, Luka.
I will just be a fuzzy statue until summer.
Lesson recap initiating. We explored the wonders of the solar system and calculated the prime variables. Excellent work, students!
Don't get shocked. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Click it safely. See you next time.